nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikamunuraganie wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumigite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo, ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers, eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange, bakere simigwetera aseti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Twa umurigereri litukeliga lya lero lya Jumapili chitariki 4 cy'umucyenyo gatano mwaka wa 2025 chingakie amangaga yantakaneke wa chinsema ao ime na isiko ya gusiekene kionga chinsebere litukolia lero lya Jumapili ncheni gongoro kwa runyo toto nyangiri kurunsa mimenyerio niko tokubwatara nere Wilson Makoli kolendo konyura tu omwanjwa omurigereri asensemeliende yengwana ya gatambeli tukolia lero niko nde negasi otwara abarai kurwase county Nyamira abale abarai abarai ba ekiama kya UPA kurwase county ya Nyamira abubale aba MCA abachole asengo chikobanya gubatora Edna Obara na boigo Jeria Kirbo bonse bara MCA kurwase miyo ande bale abarai gosbatene tabasabali abasobati ime yekiama ekyo kia UPA ukonyore tuma jumurigere ne bana tange nkwana ya gatembe nege karo kia gatembe litukulia Jumapili igo asenseme yege karo kutoliko yaba tokoligere lya kubwa mono igoro yetaro yomo Skefred Matiangi asarwangoro gusi na boigo eganga yaye na boigo ekiame kingyara kandege kwerali bagali na kegima asio kumwaligania na korodo temero lyonse yanya kwa kwa lituko lya igoro. Na umwanju muligereri ekionga chinsebere tukulia lero niko togocha kurwa ase ekiombekeri kia bajagetari kema ketemna KMBDU ko se Kenya Medical Dentist and Pharmacist Union KMBDU igenya kabage kurwo kugasereria huna gochaka eikie gocha nigo baraje kugenda umuguru gwemirimo kubatekana amono bukorerio bobe no bora yobobe amo ase amagimabo atari ko igurwo ase chi county isato iyo county ya Nakuru county ya Laikipia ne county ya Kajiado echia sichirwo ikirania amagania abo ene ngwana ya igati yabara ibe kyombekyo bakurawa no mulikyo munegwe kyombekyo David Atera.
The doctors have declared that come Monday, there should be no single doctor in that hospital. That the doctors in locum that otherwise have been holding the hospitals are to be out because they are the ones that have been casualized. They're the ones, their rights have been deprived. They're the ones that the county is looking with disdain and disrespect. So as a union, we are saying a time has come for us to fully close the hospital from next week. Number two, we want to tell the county government, we want to tell the governor, we want to tell the board that by not promoting doctors, by not providing medical insurance, by not employing doctors in the right terms, they're actually in contempt of court. We don't want promises. We want the outcome of these things to be sorted out. The issue of promotion, the issue of poor employment terms, the issue of medical cover are things that cannot wait. The things that don't need stories.
Limekuwa swala ambalo tumejadiliana kwa zaidi ya miaka miwili. Lakini ni jambo gani ambalo county limetufanyia? Limeweza kutupatia majawabu ya uongo, limeweza kutuhadaa na kutupeleka mbele na nyuma. Sisi kama wanachama tumesema hatutakubali kudhalilishwa.
So it's upon the governments of these three counties to honor the return to work agreement that we signed. It's upon them to promote the doctors. It's upon them to pay wages on time. It's upon them to remit state deduction. Otherwise, we can say that doctors will be on strike until those things are implemented. It is an injustice for the consultants in Nakuru to be paid like interns, while they're posted as consultants. It's an injustice for doctors to be casualized in Laikipia. It is an injustice for doctors to labor and work so.
Mwanjo murigerere chinga kiechio nigo abanyagitari bali abakurwali etugo umanyakarite buna ba veterinary nigo rabanya ko bakubolia ewizara y'uburimi nabo igo serikali nebitambukiro aho serikali kwaneke mnango babwate sibire na kubasira iliko nyarakaba bakoenekia etugo ngomenyere ase chinjira shindonge gosobo chene wabwe etugo ngwikere ni wobole korengane birengo biri bibwenerete boigo nigo banyalde koba abakubolia chinjira aho koimukirwa nebitambukiro aho koimukirwa koeneke buna etugo ngorete saligi ya gochia ase bali bagoyetuga.
I wish to invite the veterinary professionals to play the active role in supporting the three key drivers of our economic agenda through their services. And in that, we hope the breeding programs that are going on all over the country, Mr. Chairman, your vets should be providing the lead. The issue of animal feeds and nutrition, our projects are supporting development of feedlots across the entire country. We expect the vets to play a role in this.
This time round, we have the aim of coming together and share values, and so that we can craft a way forward concerning things that are affecting the profession. And that one is in line with our theme for this year, which is Animal Health Takes a Team. We are highlighting teamwork in animal health, not only in the profession itself of maintaining and controlling health, but also in furthering the welfare of the professional.
We would like to plead with the citizenry that in case there is a case of sudden death of animals, please ensure that you contact the closest or the government veterinary officer. In this case, maybe you'll have a ward representative or a sub-county representative to ensure that it is not anthrax. Because once the carcass is opened, then you expose even the human beings and the environment to the infection.
Mwasiri w'ekisemi omuske Julius Migosi ogamba nigane kimnamiro bulionsi ebekire eliko nyarako bagegokinia kisemi anene muno chingaki abaruke banyakaba koigora che skuru ase tamu yakabere ngogera nigwere na serikali nigatemna nigagenda gutalira skuru aho nakuba muno korotota na kurigereria amamocho nobo ogosana bore ubole as che skuru echo eliko anekia buna onsi ngoikirani wale buna ebwenerete.
We are moving around the country having discussions about the challenges that our schools have and seeing for ourselves what support that we need to give them in order for their programs to run smoothly. Like this school, as you've seen, it has quite a number of challenges. It's got a very high number of students. Some of the buildings are quite old, some of the dormitories are quite old, so they'll need a lot of government support in order for them to have the facilities that are good for the students. As I indicated, we'll be having discussions with the Ministry of Housing to see whether they can come in through the affordable housing to support us like they're supporting us in the universities, and they're also supporting us in the TVETs. So these are discussions that we'll hold to see how possible it is to work together to resolve the challenges that our schools are facing. On the capitation, we are working to ensure that it is released hopefully by next week so that the students and their teachers do not have a problem in that area. Yeah, so we are doing something. People are prepared for CBE, as you've seen. You heard the Kesha team say they've been inducted, and we are progressing very well to ensure that at least the transition that we are going to have is smooth. Where there is a challenge, we are having a lot of conversations with stakeholders to ensure that we smoothen those out and ensure that the education sector is a sector that is
Wasiri omokoro omuske Dr. Fred Matiangi ritukulia lero niganyaraka bagawikirana ase egekaro kenyaka bakwalika nigwa ase enka iyomo raibwense kosomo kwa yomo raibwense omokoro omuske Fred Gashagwa asama iketemna wa Munyoro imeye county ya Nyeri gakwana chinga kyecho omuske Fred Matiangi nigata abona abakenya bonsi nikobale omonto yomo natibabwe natikobagonu ase chinjira chindi yonsi anemono ase enchira iyobogesako.
Neno mnasikia tunaambiwa 841 verses I don't know what. Hiyo yote ni style ya kufanya sisi tuanze kupigana. Tusahau shida zetu badala ya kutumia wakati wetu kutafuta suluhisho kwa hayo maneno yote, tuanze sasa kupigana sisi wenyewe. Watu wanapiga nduru hapa Nyeri wako na shida. Kule Nyamira wako na shida. Kule Taita Taveta wako na shida. Kule Kakamega wako na shida. Sasa ukabila unatusaidia nini? Sisi sote tuko na shida. Basi tunatafuta namna ya kutafuta suluhisho so that our country can be managed better. Na tuko tayari kufanya hiyo kazi. Kwa hivyo ninawaomba wananchi, msipoteze imani. Don't lose hope in our country. What we are going through is a momentary situation. And let us not be tempted to turn against each other. Mungu atatubariki. We have had some challenges before, but we always rise again. This country is built on resilience. Wakenya ni watu wa kufanya bidii. Wakenya ni watu wanajua vile tunataka kwenda mbele. Don't lose hope. Tukae pamoja tushikane. Na hawa ndugu zetu hapa na dada. Tushikane pamoja. Mungu atatusaidia tutafuka hiyo daraja. Na tukivuka hiyo daraja tutaenda mbele. We will fix our challenges. Hizi zote tutatengeneza. So that we fix our education system properly so that watu wawe na imani kwa elimu yetu. We fix our systems. Hata kama hii ni mambo ya afya, we will find solutions to our challenges together. So that huu muda kidogo tuko na shida hapa na pale, let us not turn against each other. Hii vile tunaambiwa hii maneno ni kabila hii, ni hawa ndio.
Na omamsie omokoro bwe wodi ya Gachuba musike Gripati Nchore niganyaka bagakuru bosemia gochie asa Bible konyaka bakorotota abana babo chinga kichionsi boigo omusike Gripati Nchore nigairali bagelio asa nyaka bagakwanira igoro yabasaya bake anamone bali banyarika bakwebwaterania ase nyomo asa nyaka bakabasemia muna chinjira gusumuna nchira yamo yokoeneke abuna ogo weita gusebikore byo weita na kwerusia magima bokeana bire asa basaya nemono bali ase chinyomo.
Bono nguna tebiranga na irandire nande senginyo narorire gasi nyinga yasalike none chipara muna chirega tubwaterane togendie wodi ya itobusio na nengote ya Bible tabadali masomi abana baitu ororenga mwarurira abana ngakibagosoma na anda abana mwababwati none chisukuru asebale chitabichi abo ngakijire ekiara chikuru cha tokere chire chimbe ekikira abasiri asobugima na ndekera abana bali gisukuru muna moiboli kanya gosabera abana aina artura saba maya na ndusabe nga kelia kende gyonse ogokora eite nobolemi eite ne biasara bikore no mukia ekiaire nse muna yabere economy yabere ankongu asa abantu baminto tolemererani na ande twali gigento kende rutante bwende saje tadi nali no ni economy era toke nyumba aba na nyumba kire tororo umugaka no mungina igona basabe molemereria mo basa konya kwekera beserenke kwanyara ngo mugaka ebese yerete yorokineye no mungina na yerete neye saje mwabwatirana nalio ndatari kukagironde nga utumire bese bobe kiara nabagaka na baru batwaro bolemereria tali enjele bakonya kwemincha nga kwanyara abande bachiro gwesungi nga sengenje gosage chikunyomba engakie yakongire tutwaro bolemereria ase ntwa ase
tubwatirane tokonya gusikia ense ya Kenya mutwe uyu guseyune ngwana yo mujumbe bwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache North umutike Chavet Mukanya kundi webo igore omugachi we kiama kia UDA aise chinga kianyara kabaga wikirana ime ye bunge ya Gatundu North ime county ya Kiambu asomo yega bugosira bonjorya bakabake uyu nyara kabaga kurawa amo numukonyi mu murayi bwense omuske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki.
Kwa sababu kama chama cha UDA tulisema kazi ni bottom. Wale wengine wamekuja hapa, wale wako wa Munyoro wamekuja hapa kwa support. Yule Mkabila amekuja hapa, yule wa Rimayala amekuja hapa, yule wa Fertilizer amekuja hapa. Wale watu wamekuja hapa, si ni naibu wa rais na huyu Kororia na Kimani Ichung'wah na wengine. Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba tuzidi kushirikiana, tufanye kazi pamoja ili Kenya iweze kuenda mbele. Wale wengine hawana plan, hawana mpango, hawajui maneno ya kahawa, hawajui maneno ya chai, hawajui maneno ya sima, hawajui maneno yoyote. Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba tufanye kazi na Mheshimiwa William Ruto na huyu Profesa Kithure Kindiki. Wangapi wanafanya kazi na Profesa Kithure Kindiki? Kwa niaba ya chama chetu cha UDA, mimi kama mweka hazina, tulisema bottom up na chama chetu cha UDA ambaye ninajua nyinyi ndio wenye chama, tunatoa 500,000
ti yaba musie na abakenya niko baigereire ekiganja keli gyokorwa chibesa chipasarik ekikere ime igosense ya county na niga gocha magiga gusamutuka make magiga yo kungusana kogendera kwane kigwa igoro yo babage bwe chibesa amo no gotumiki bwe chibesa amo nemiremo yegwente kokorwa ne county na boigo chi serikali china na gose serikali anana.
Breathe in, breathe out. Mkono chini.
Kama county tumekuwa tukishirikiana na ma MCA so that tuboreshe elimu yetu ya polytechnics. Tumekuwa tukifadhili, tunapatia walimu wakufunzi wa hizi vyuo katika wadi. Pia tunawapatia equipment, training materials and tools za wanafunzi. Alafu pia tunawalipia wanafunzi mitihani ya NITA na examinations kupitia mpango wetu wa MYS. So wanafunzi akiingia chuo tunamlipia mtihani so that after training ya hiyo miezi 3 anapata hiyo certificate na certification from NITA.
Mimi ni mzazi, so nikipata customer hapo nitaenda nimsonge hivi, alafu na nitapata kakitu, so watoto hawatalala njaa. Alafu ningeomba serikali itusaidia hata kama ni kitu kadogo venye tumegraduate, wengine wetu tunaona tuko down, so tunaweza omba watusaidie na kitu kadogo ambapo tunaweza pata kununua kitu kama broad dry hivi ili tuweze kujirumu kimaisha.
Kuna wanasiasa ambao wanasema that kwamba serikali za county hazifai kupewa pesa ya basari. Mimi ningetaka kuambia leo hii graduation ambayo tunafanya imesimamiwa na pesa ya basari, ile ambayo tunapewa na Murang'a County na ile iko katika serikali hizi za county.
Omokonyi b'omuraibwense musike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigasegetire abakenya kokora emirimo litang'ani na korabeka siasa nsemo atanya ko bagotanga chingaki chiga nigo chiri chingaki chia magendero kurentare chia siasa ne chingaki chia siasa chigoika kero muntu na nyariko baga gwaka siasa yuo boikiranu musike Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigale gukwa na yuo chinsemo chiebunge ya Gatundu North eyo gotoka ime ye county ya Kiambu asomorobali bogosira bonchorelia bakabake.
Kwanza siku ile tulichukua serikali, bei ya unga ilikuwa juu kidogo 240. Tukasema tung'ang'ane nayo, tuteremushe, tumeteremusha kidogo, imefika 150 hapo 140, na bado tunaendelea kung'ang'ana na unga. Lazima unga ishuke ikuje chini ya shilingi 100, na hiyo ndio itasaidia mwananchi wa kawaida kujidumu kimaisha, kupata riziki na kupata chakula kwa familia, ndio kusiwe na watu wanalala njaa. Tukasema hiyo ndio bottom up. Vile vile tukasema hivi, tukasema bei ya petroli ilikuwa juu 2022. Tumeng'ang'ana nayo, imetoka pale 217 per liter, tumeiteremusha imekuja 165, lakini bado tunang'ang'ana na kuiteremusha. Lazima bei ya petroli na bei ya mafuta ishuke ili mwananchi aweze kunimujudu. Nimewanyita. Tukasema hiyo bottom up vile vile. Watu wengi wa Kenya, wakiwemo watu wetu wa Mlima Kenya, na mimi nawahakikishia zitajengwa, zitakamilika kabla ya uchaguzi wa 2027.
Na omuraibwense musike William Samuel Ruto litukulia rero niganyabo kubaga gwikirana ase omuiga bwa masabo igose ibada ya masabo imeye county ya Migori oyu wareganitigwe nechikanisa ibo igo onjuka goso ibo igasa omochango nyaraka bago korekana kugosira chikanisa echo musike William Ruto nigairali bagelio kumurera omusike Charles Ongondo Gwere uyu nyatuka baga gosiroga mugwaye magega yo gwa kwa masasi n'abantu atamanyekaniti omusike Ruto niganyaraka baga kolira buna serikali nigochikwe mukie bitambukiro byonsi koene kiamuna bali banyatuka bako bwatirani gwa ntega kolekyo kobe kubali byara na kumukiri wali chiko lia serikali.
Matatizo makubwa, tukampoteza mbunge wetu Bwana Ongondo Were. Na mimi nataka niwahakikishie watu wa Kasipu na watu wa Homa Bay, wale waliofanya jambo hilo na kumuua huyo mjumbe, we will get them. They will not succeed. They will have nowhere to hide. We will go after them, and we will go after their collaborators mpaka tuhakikisha kwamba kitendo kama hicho hakifanyiki tena katika taifa letu la Kenya. Tulikubaliana ya kwamba tushughulike na mambo ya elimu ya watoto wetu, na ndio sababu hiyo tumeajiri walimu 76,000 wapya. Before the end of this year tutaajiri walimu wengine 20,000, kwa sababu tunataka kila mtoto wa Kenya apate nafasi sawa kusoma, kwa sababu elimu ndio inatuletea usawa katika taifa letu la Kenya. Mtoto wa tajiri na mtoto wa maskini wanakuwa sawa wakipata elimu. And that is why we must work together so that we can educate all our children. Tumeweka program mpya ya funding ya higher education ambayo itasaidia universities zetu, na vile vile kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wetu wote wanapata nafasi sawa kusoma chuo kikuu ama TVET, kwa sababu tumeweka program watoto wa kutoka jamii maskini watapatiwa scholarship ya serikali 90%. Tuhakikisha kwamba hakuna mtoto anatoka university ama kukosa kusoma kwa sababu mzazi wake hana uwezo. We must make sure that we enhance equity and make sure that every community in Kenya share.
Mwanjo omo ligerali gwekirabo no togekira as omwali weke unga chinsa ibere kole na tieka ko yinyoria aige karango chakere sege kekere mutwe atoko tikonyara kabato kwa na mono moske Edna Obara yule omo women league leader bwe kiama kalikia UPA na boigo cheria kerubo Nyakangi oiboigo ole omo women league leader bwe county Nyamira inse kiama kikia UPA atoko tikonyara kabato kwanira etaro yomoske Fred Matiang'i tukolia chuma imeagusi na boigo kwerobelia gwe kiama kia UPA akekora kiarogante buna na kere tedi bagali nene mono ase okwarigania etare yu yomoske Fred Okengo Matiang'i igo tonyara kaba hotuko chale umwancho omo ligerali nchendi ngoro ko Haruni Ototo Nyangiri kuna nsemo yebi manyererio nigo akorwa Wilson Makoli na boigo oyole ase nsemo ya transmission igakorwa Mike Wisdom bakobwatera na amo na Hafira Kariri.
Eduka ya womo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand au echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo au punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
HK International Medical Center ni nyegitari nene ya chirenkuma imemu chobosongo yego tumika chimashini chinkongo ansukumureka amarwire ao nago kwa ubugwenia wetera asi amariogo arosirie kurwa asemete nigo bakubwenia amarwire buna esukari ogwaka igoro kwa manyinga gose high blood pressure arthritis cancer chinyigo imichando